sister's nails are red, on his head is straight for hell. Well, at 5 or 6, I found a nail, put it on the trail, made the train derail. 5 or 6, down to 10, that's when the Lord just runs the pen. She's the always dance, the devil tried to my life right on the level. Can't imagine what God must think as he pushed his bed to the spring. I think my guardian angel drank. My 16th birthday in Jimmy Hall was all a dream to drop a ragdoll. He was in it, so I turned it around when the little church hit the ground. Oh shit. When I came of age, I was at a bar, kids and girls, and I stole a car. The cops, they chased me all over town, and threw out the strips and they drove me down. Trying to live my life right on the level. Can't imagine what God must think as he pushed his bed to the brink. I think my guardian angel drank. That guardian angel he tried to see. That devil said he's as crazy as me. So at 53, my past said, was my destiny. Wasn't the way I wanted to be. It all started back when I was 3. Seems I always dance with the devil trying to live my life right on the level. Can't imagine what God must think as I pushed his bed to the brink. I think my guardian angel drinks. Oh, you hear that big old clap of thunder? Yeah. I think he fell down again. Hope he didn't break a wing or anything. Oh, hell, serves him right. Seems I'm always in the devil side, and my life right on the level. Can't imagine what God must think as I put his bed in the rain. I think my guardian angel. No, wait a minute. I know he drinks. My guardian angel drinks. I brought the telly out tonight, so I'm not really used to all this. So I actually talked to my telly yesterday and said, I'm going to take you out. You just need to fucking do your shit. And it didn't really respond. But
it is now.
Yeah, and it's sucking. Anyway, well, no, I'm sucking. It's doing great. was thinking to myself, it's way too much for me. I can barely hear you, I can hardly see you. I know that you love me, I saw you today, felt your warmth on my shoulder, felt your breath on my face. So on my knees I pray, good Lord, what you plan today, what you gotta say. I'm ready to listen, I'm ready to listen. Oh yes, good Lord, I was talking to my Lord, what's your plan today? Will you feed the hungry? Will you feed the lame? I'm selfish inside, but I can't ignore you. Holy shit. From the time you were born till the day of your last breath, the good things that you did are the medals on your chest. But if evil's what you choose and you lay your path of faith, that's when your medals are falling. Only on this Is the life that you live? Is the legacy that you give? To those that you leave is what they're believe. Is your legacy love you live? And depend on the things you give. On the altar of your time. Only goodness should remain in mind. So as time grows slowly past, minutes into days, it's important how you measure the fruits of your ways. 'Cause every one of them is measured, every one of them is weighed. Everyone will tell the story of what you did with all your days. 'Cause your memories of you live. And depend on the things you give. On the altar of your time. Only goodness should remain in their mind. That's called legacy. So a lot of songs I do are original, and you know what? Music is one of them things that you just can't get away from what brought music into their head. The lyrics, what brought it into their head, and why did they want to sing that stuff? And so my songs are all over the place, but long story short, they all mean something to me.
Yeah, great song, bro. Making me think and have feelings and trying to be tough, damn it. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do this one. This will be my final song for tonight. zone. Must make a change, I must make it last. Stifle the memories, forget about the past. Please don't leave me alone. Please don't leave me alone. Please don't leave me alone. No, 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 God, please don't leave me alone. I said that was my last one, but I lied. Well, I was driving down the interstate, knowing I was running late. Sitting, oh wait a minute. Driving down the interstate, knowing I was running late. Sipping on what I can drink. That's when I land to write one of the novels I did. That's the letter that's in your mouth. Well, that when it hit me, I really had to go. That annoying little tickle in my heart. It smiled to the next town, I took the hand last breath. Oh, oh, yes, please. I gotta pee, I gotta pee. I gotta pee, oh, I gotta pee. My eyes are floating, my pants are now soaking. I gotta pee. Now I'm sitting here in my soaking seat, suffering from the smoldering heat. That's when I smelled that funky smell. I couldn't get any worse, I swerved. Then I cursed the red light. Came on behind me, I just threw my pick. Well, I guess I'm heading off to jail. My story I could not tell. He would not have believed me if I tried.
Here, brother.
Hey, right. I lost my whole thing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now I'm sitting here in my soaking seat, suffering from the smoldering heat. That's when I felt that funky smell. I couldn't get any worse, I swerved in until I cursed the red light. Came on behind me. Well, I'm sitting here, I don't even know that.
You gotta pee.
Huh? Oh, I gotta pee, I gotta pee. I gotta pee, oh, I gotta pee. My eyes are floating, my fires are now soaking. Oh, I gotta pee. One officer, another charge. What, to piss all over your floor? Yeah, but I told you I had to fucking pee. Damn.
You got the whole thing.
I actually were gonna have to graduate the Telecaster to write a new performance. We had a talk. It was hanging on the wall, and I walked up to it and said, "Well, we're going out to play tonight, so you need to actually fucking play." and I suck, so you have to fucking bring it up. And
The guitar held its own.
and then Telly said nothing, actually. Anyway, long story short, have a good night, guys.
Leave this up.
Yeah, leave it up there unless you're leaving.
We are trying.
All right, y'all, that was Tuck Away. Up next, Aaron G. Randall. Oh, yeah. And right after Aaron G. Randall, we'll have Kristen.
Oh, shit. All right, everybody has a chance to run.
Towards the stage.